Understand intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating within a designated time window. The most common methods include the method fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, or the method eating normally for 5 days and restricting calorie intake for 2 non-consecutive days. Start slowly. For beginners, it is recommended to start with a shorter fasting window and gradually increase the fasting duration over time. This allows the body to adapt to the new eating pattern more comfortably. Choose an appropriate fasting schedule. Select a fasting schedule that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. The one method, where you might skip breakfast and start eating at noon, can be a good starting point for many beginners. Stay hydrated. During fasting periods, it is important to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and curb hunger. Herbal teas, black coffee without sugar or cream, and sparkling water are often suggested as options to help manage hunger during fasting. Focus on nutrient-dense meals. When it's time to eat, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods that provide essential nutrients. Include lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats in your meals to support overall health and well-being. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. If you feel excessively hungry during the fasting period, you might consider adjusting your eating window or incorporating small, low-calorie snacks to help you get through the fasting period more comfortably. Be consistent. Consistency is key when practicing intermittent fasting. It is often recommended to establish a regular fasting routine to allow your body to adjust and optimize the benefits over time.